The Introduction to Lean for Service and Manufacturing course is part of the Lean for Business Organizations program, which includes a total of 6 sections. Introduction to Lean for Service and Manufacturing, this one. Using Lean for Perfection and Quality. Lean Tools and Techniques for Flow and Pull. Reducing Waste and Streamlining Value Flow using Lean. Value Stream Mapping in Lean Business. And Applying Lean in Service and Manufacturing Organizations. Just to give you an overview, this is what the course, this section, covers. So, Introduction to Lean for Service and Manufacturing. Using inefficient procedures is like digging a 200-foot wide hole for a 100-foot wide house. You will have wasted a great deal of effort on something that you don't really need. Your organization must make shrewd investments in its precious time, money, and effort. You need flexible, intelligent strategies to evolve and prosper in a competitive global market. Lean is a methodology that incorporates a powerful set of tools and techniques designed to maximize customer value while constantly working to reduce waste. It focuses on improving overall efficiency, quality, and customer satisfaction. Because of its ability to improve customer satisfaction and deliver bottom-line financial gains, Lean is a preferred strategic choice for many organizations. This course introduces you to the basic principles of Lean, which will help you create more efficient processes and get you on the road to successful operations management. This course also outlines the 5-step process for implementing Lean. By learning how to implement Lean in your organization, you can reduce the cost of developing your company's product, increase production efficiency, and improve safety, quality, and performance levels. Finally, the course explains how Lean integrates with a Six Sigma production management system. Using this hybrid approach enables you to minimize process and product defects, and to identify and resolve pervasive problems.